Hello everyone, welcome to a Notability review. First, let's talk about what this tool is. It's a note-taking tool, as you can see here, right? It lets us take notes with a typical brush or stylus, okay? It allows us to capture voice notes, do reviews, studies, and more. It recognizes handwriting, converting our writing to text, right? It does math conversions, audio transcriptions. Here are some examples of what you can do on the platform, which looks pretty good, okay? Here we can see the person's handwriting and more. I think this drawing was even made within the platform, okay? They let us draw, make planners or stickers, alright? Which we can use. The app is, I think, only for Mac, okay? Mac, iPhone, and iPad, okay? Most people will use it on iPad for the touch button. As you can see, it's rated 4.7 stars. We're looking at a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. Usually Mac-only apps tend to be quite good, right? By the way, the app is free. Let's check out the Notability reviews, if there are any. Well, we're seeing 5 stars, 4.7 actually. No need to dig deeper. So here we have 54,797 reviews with an average of 4.7. Honestly, not much review needed. It seems like a great tool. Also, from what I've seen, I haven't used it myself, but I've noticed many people around me with Macs using these kinds of tools. Without a doubt, it's an excellent tool for taking notes. As I said, as long as you have a stylus, using a cursor might be a bit tedious. But with a stylus and these tools, Notability is definitely a great option for note-taking. So that's all I have to say about it.